You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing biblical names, names of various saints, Christian names that are confusing and that many get wrong, stay tuned. If there are more videos you'll want to listen to and learn from. Ambrose, that's your English pronunciation. Here it comes from the Italian Ambrogio, but in English, Ambrose. Now, the American pronunciation would be slightly different. Ambrose, but that's about the same. Ambrose. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Ambrose. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.